A Boeing 787 Dreamliner was forced to land in Iceland after its antennae malfunctioned on Sunday. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner's air identification system transmits the plane's identification information during flight. A flight operated by Poland's LOT airline was traveling from Toronto to Warsaw. However, the air identification system malfunctioned and the plane was not allowed into Norwegian airspace. The plane was diverted to Keflavik airport near Reykjavik in Iceland. 2 other planes were sent to transport passengers to their final destination.